wanted to make stir fry like your favorite Asian restaurants, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to give you the keys to the kingdom to unlock the secrets of how to make a truly great stir fry. Now, stir fry is a favorite around the world because it's simple, it's healthy, and it's flavorful. And you can make it easily at home by focusing on just 4 things. And you don't even need a wok. Now, making great stir fry can be broken down to 4 parts. These are the veggies, the protein, the rice, and the sauce. So the first and most important step is we're going to learn how to prepare our vegetables and our proteins. And it is important because the key word in stir fry is fry. So speed is your friend. So it's important to learn how to cut everything correctly and evenly so they can cook quickly, and your vegetables will maintain some of that crunch while at the same time giving your proteins a nice caramelization. Okay, so now that we have the vegetables and the proteins prepared, now it's time to work on making the backbone of our stir fry, a top-notch fried rice. And it's super simple. Here's how. now that we have everything prepped, all we need to do is tie it all together by making a killer teriyaki sauce. Now, that'll make us a good stir fry. But to make a great stir fry, we're going to need to make two sauces. So not only are we going to make a delicious teriyaki sauce, but we're going to take this stir fry to the next level by making an amazing Hibachi steakhouse style yum yum sauce as well. And here's how. Okay, so for our final step, we want to get our pan piping hot and ready to stir fry. But remember, we are frying here, so try to avoid overcrowding your pan, or else they'll lower the temperature in your pan a little bit too much, and you'll end up boiling your meats and vegetables instead. So if you want to try to avoid this, it's okay if you cook your meats and your vegetables in separate batches, and then add them in together at the end with the sauce. Now that being said, let's get to stir frying. I've shown you can make restaurant quality stir fry easily at home. Well, that's all I have time for this week, but to be kept up to date with all the future episodes, simply click on the bell icon down below and you'll be sent a notification each time a new show comes out, so you don't miss a thing. So if you enjoyed this week's episode, please feel free to give that like button some love and subscribe. If you found this video useful, please feel free to share it, as it does help this channel grow immensely. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section down below. I'd love to read them. Recipes, as always, are down in the description box. My name is Chef Matt with Kitchen Instruments, thanking you for stopping by, and I'll see you guys next time.